The title of my website is Anna Gurman's Class and also Miss Gurman's Class website. This is my homepage where you can find a little introduction of what you will find on the website. You have a link to my tech blog, a link to my email address, and the date of when the website was last revised. The next page is my biography, and it's just a little bit about me, where I went to school, where I worked in the past and how I worked with kids in the past, what I like doing in my free time, and so forth. The next page is the resources section, where it's just a list of different resources that are helpful with education in general and other specific things related to education. Then I have my Web 2.0, which are different resources we use throughout the semester, and links to those. For my personal choice page, I did a class newsletter where I wrote like what's happening this week that I could like update every week, a calendar of what's happening that month, different events at school to keep parents up to date, a list of birthdays for different students, reminders that parents might want to look at, and different class photos that just kind of keep parents to feel like they're more involved in the classroom. The next page is technology projects, and on this first page I have this Google Slide project where I did food around the world lesson, so where I just took different pictures of food and did facts about different foods in different areas. After that, I have my digital story on my digital story page. It's linked to YouTube, and my mobile app, which I did Poll Everywhere. It's a good app that you can use in your classroom. That was also a Google slide. And then for PLN, PLE, I describe what a PLE is, and I have a link to the article we read for it. And also, I describe what a PLN is and the link on what that is as well. And then a picture describing what the two are. And then I have building my professional learning environment, where I just talk about different category of different like computer tools and define them, give examples, and reflect on them. So the links to my reflections are here. I did Twitter reflection, Diigo, and a reflection on Learning in Hand, a blog. My website evaluations, where I evaluated the NASA website. It's on this page. And then my screencast that I'm doing currently will be put on this page. And then for my evaluations, there's nothing on the main page, but on the sub page I have my 8 Apple Teacher certifications, so I'm Apple Teacher certified. And that is all. Thank you.